Hello everyone and good morning. It's me again, Joseph, your host, and welcome back to our channel and the Daily Reflections. Friday of the 7th week of Easter comes near the close of the Easter season. The church is still living in the joy of the resurrection. At the same time, there is a sense of looking ahead. Jesus is preparing his followers for what comes next. Faith is tested as believers learn to trust without seeing. The readings for Friday of the 7th week of Easter show this time of waiting and learning. Paul faces confusion and delay as he stays faithful to his call. The psalm lifts our eyes to God's mercy and care. The gospel brings us back to love, service, and following Jesus each day. This day reminds us that faith often grows in quiet ways, grows in patience, duty, and love for others. We are called to keep going, even when answers are slow. Friday of the 7th week of Easter invites us to stay close to Jesus and walk forward with trust. So friends, let us take a look at the readings for today. The first reading is from Acts chapter 25, verses 13 to 21. And the responsorial psalm for today is Psalm 103. Finally, the gospel reading for today is from Gospel of John chapter 21, verses 15 to 19. Friday of the 7th week of Easter invites us to reflect on themes of courage, love, and trust. Paul's bold defense of his faith in Jesus' call to Peter remind us how faith shapes our actions and renews our hearts. These reflections guide us to live with honesty, love, and confidence in God's plan. In the first reading for Friday of the 7th week of Easter, Paul shows great courage as he explains his situation to the authorities. Despite being accused and misunderstood, he remains honest and steadfast. Paul's faith gives him the strength to speak the truth even when the outcome is uncertain. This courage challenges us to think about how we respond in difficult moments. Do we stay true to our beliefs, or do we let fear hold us back? How can I show courage in sharing my faith, like Paul did? Paul's example reminds us that faith is not just about what we believe, but also about how we live and speak. We can ask God to help us have courage like Paul. When we trust him, we can face even the hardest situations with strength. Speaking the truth may not always be easy, but it reflects our trust in God and his presence in our lives. And for today's responsorial psalm, Psalm 103, praises God as King, whose rule is shaped by mercy. The psalm gathers voices of angels and creation to bless the Lord. In the book of Psalms, many prayers remind Israel that God's power is steady and kind. This psalm supports that message during Friday of the 7th week of Easter. The Psalms often return to covenant love and care for the faithful. Psalm 103 lifts hearts toward trust and gratitude rather than fear. God's throne in heaven reassures the community that justice and compassion guide all things. This song helps the church pray with confidence on Friday of the 7th week of Easter. In the Gospel, for Friday of the 7th week of Easter, Jesus gives Peter a chance to affirm his love 3 times. This moment is powerful because it allows Peter to heal from the pain of his denial. Jesus' response shows that love can renew and restore us, even when we have made mistakes. Peter's experience reminds us that failure does not have to define us. When we turn back to Christ with love and humility, he welcomes us and gives us a fresh start. His call to Peter to care for his sheep shows that our love for him must lead to action. When have I experienced renewal after seeking forgiveness? We can take comfort in knowing that God offers second chances. Just as Peter was restored, we too can experience renewal when we seek forgiveness and live out our love for Jesus. Both Peter and Paul face uncertain futures in the readings for Friday of the 7th week of Easter. Jesus speaks to Peter about the sacrifices he will face, and Paul defends his faith before authorities without knowing what will happen next. Both men show trust in God's plan, even when it is not clear. How does Jesus' call to care for others challenge me in my relationships? Trusting God can be difficult when we do not know the outcome. Peter and Paul remind us that faith involves surrendering our worries to God and believing he is with us. Their trust shows us how to face challenges with hope and strength. What does trusting God's plan look like in my daily life? In our own lives, we can pray for the grace to trust God's plan. When we rely on him, we can move forward with courage, knowing that he will guide us. Trust allows us to follow him with peace, even when the path is uncertain. As we consider these readings, we see how God works through our lives, even in challenging moments. whether we face difficult decisions, need to seek forgiveness, or learn to trust more deeply. The lessons of Friday of the 7th week of Easter encourage us to grow in faith and follow Jesus with our whole hearts. Now, friends, let us end our reflections today with a simple prayer. Dear Lord, help us to be honest and courageous in our faith. Renew us with your love when we fall short, and give us trust to follow your plan. Strengthen us to care for others and live in a way that reflects you. Amen. Thank you, friends, for watching and joining me in today's daily reflections. I hope this reflection can be useful and helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video and daily reflections, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more faith-inspiring contents, reflections, and many more. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and healthy as usual. Next time, and God bless you always.